The Galaxy S22 Ultra is Samsung's flagship smartphone from the S22 series, released in February 2022. It blends the best of the Galaxy S and Note series, featuring S Pen support and a powerful camera system. Specifications: design and display screen, 6.8-inch dynamic, AMOLED 2. X resolution, 1440 by 3088 pixels, Quad HD plus refresh rate, 120 Hz adaptive brightness, peak 1750 nits, build Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, front and back, armor aluminum frame, colors, phantom black, phantom white, green, burgundy, graphite, red, sky blue. Performance processor, Snapdragon 8, Gen 1, USA, China, Exynos 2020, Europe, India. RAM, 8GB/12 GB. Storage, 128 GB/256 GB/512 GB/1 TB, no microSD slot. Camera system, rear cameras, 108 megapixels, f1.8 OIS, laser AF. Main sensor, 10 megapixels, f4.9, 10x, periscope zoom, OIS, 10 megapixels, f2.4, 3x telephoto, OIS, 12 megapixels, f/2.2, ultra-wide, super steady video. Front camera, 40 megapixels, f/2.2, autofocus. Video recording, 8K at 24 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, super slow-mo, 960 frames per second. Battery and charging battery, 5,000 mAh charging, 45 watts, wired fast charging, 15 watts, wireless charging reverse, wireless charging software. Operating system, launched with Android 12, One UI 4.1, upgradable to Android 14, One UI. Features: S Pen support, Samsung DeX, Knox security. Other features: IP68, water and dust resistant stereo speakers, tuned by AKG, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, UWB ultrasonic fingerprint, sensor pros and cons, checkmark pros, checkmark best-in-class camera system, great for zoom and night photography checkmark. S Pen built-in first in the S series. Bright and smooth display, 120 Hz QHD+, long battery life, 5,000 mAh, efficient chipset. Cons: expensive, no expandable storage, slower charging compared to competitors. Final verdict: the Galaxy S22 Ultra is ideal for power users who want a premium camera, large display, S Pen, and flagship performance. It's basically a Galaxy Note replacement with S Pen integration and top-tier hardware.